What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei here bringing you episode 67 of the Webull Option Adventures, where our goal is to sell options and collect that premium. So in this week, you'll see that the portfolio currently is at $27,618.83. We are down on the profit and loss, which is negative 185.27%, which actually comes out to be a total of $622.50. This is all unrealized losses or gains. This is just because the options are in the red. If we look at the cash balance, you'll see that it's at $28,577.33. And then our options buying power is set at $11,477.33. So we have plenty of buying power left, especially with earnings next week. We got a lot of the big tech companies next week, so the market will probably be very volatile. We'll see how that plays out. It'll definitely create some great buying opportunity for us, and maybe just put in some more cash secured puts that we'll end up doing. But if we look at the positions here, guys, you'll see the first one we do have is actually two cash secured puts on SOXL with a strike price of $15. It's actually going to expire on the 20th of May of 2022. So we got right around 1 month. So this is a 1 month cash secured put. We actually ended up doing two of these, and so we collected 34 cents or $34. And yeah, it's going to be, I think it should expire worthless, but we'll see how it plays out, or we can buy it back. Right now we are down about 41%. It's actually valued at $48, so we will see how that one plays out. The next one that we do have here, guys, is going to be two cash secured puts on SOXL with a strike price of $25. It's actually going to expire on the 6th of May, so that's roughly around 2 more weeks from now. And so we've held this one. This has been a monthly one. This has actually, I believe XOXL is actually trading right around $24 or so. So this one we are potentially going to get assigned the 200 shares, but I think I might end up rolling it. We will see how this plays out, especially because the market has just been very volatile, and definitely next week I'm definitely excited to see what next week how the market plays out. But you'll see that we did collect 59 cents or $59, and the actual contracts themselves are worth $2.74 each, so they're worth quite a bit of money. The closer we get to the expiration date, the faster the premium will start decaying with theta. But since we are below our strike price, we will the option itself will still contain some value. But if we look at the next one, guys, that we do have here is actually two cash secured puts on TQQQ with a strike price of $28. It's actually going to expire on the 20th of May of 2022, so that's roughly about a month from now. And then you'll see that we did collect 40 cents or $40 per contract, and they are also down, so it's worth about $74. So this one also, when it ended up moving downwards, especially because of yesterday. And the last one that we do have here, guys, is one cash secured put on TQQQ with a strike price of $35. It's actually going to expire on the 13th of May of 2022, so that's about 3 weeks away. And we collected 70 cents per the contract, and the contract's actually worth $1.68. So we will see how this plays out. I'm definitely not worried at all. We can definitely end up rolling these. I'm going to try to avoid getting assigned, and we will see how it all turns out. But let me show you guys the history so that you guys can see all the trades, and you guys can pause it here. But the one that we ended up doing was the WBA, which is where it started. We sold it, and then we bought another one, and then we bought an SOXL, and then we sold the TQQQ, and then we sold the SOXL. So that is there just so you guys can see it. One of the subscribers has suggested to show the history on those trades, but we can go go ahead and jump over to the Google Sheet so I can show you guys all the exact trades, how much we made for this week, and be sure that you're subscribed with that notification if you have not done so, and drop a big thumbs up on the video while you're down there. So let's go ahead and jump over to the Google Sheets. Alright guys, so we're here at the Google Sheets. You'll see that this is actually the dashboard. If we're gonna go ahead and click on the start date, it was the 18th of the week, and then the end date was on the 22nd. So let's find out how much we made. So we ended up making a total of $141.59 this week, but remember, we do have cash secured puts that are monthly, so they're actually going to be running into May, and we will see if we can buy them back early, or you know, we're just going to let them see if they expire worthless, or we have to end up rolling them. But if we look at the credits, guys, this week we collected a total of $188 in credits. After fees, it's $187.69. And then debits, we actually bought back $46 worth of debits of contracts, nothing in gains, and then nothing invested. And then if we look at the graphs here, guys, you'll see that monthly profits for April 2022 so far has been $415.97. And then if we look at the monthly performance, you'll see that so far 2022 April, we have collected the $415.97, which is a return on investment of 1.48%, which is actually pretty well. My goal is to try to aim to get 1% every single month starting off, which you know, 1.48% is very, very good. So we're definitely beating my expectations. Eventually, once I get better and more comfortable with this, we'll bump it up to 2%, and that will be our next goal. But right now, our goal is to try to get a minimum of 1% per month. So it'll be very exciting seeing if we achieve that every single month. But if we look at the weekly performance, guys, you'll see that week 98, we did $141.59, which brings our total to $28,576.94. If we look over here, guys, you'll see this will tell you how much we've collected so far, and then after taxes. And then if we look at the credits, this is where I wanted to show you. So you'll see that we do have the SOXL cash secured put open with a strike price of $25, which is 2 of them. We still have those open, and right here, this one we actually ended up closing it out. So SOXL cash secured put, strike price $20. We actually ended up buying it back, and so this one was pretty great trade. We collected majority of the premium, at least 50%, I would say. And then this other one that we do have is another SOXL cash secured put, strike price $25, and you know, this one was pretty good as well. Then the other one is that we bought back is the WBA cash secured put, and it was a strike price of $41. You'll see that we held it for 1 day, and I believe we collected about $10, so roughly around 30%, 40% on premium that we collected in 1 day. So that was pretty awesome. And then we ended up placing on the 21st of April, we ended up placing cash secured put on TQQQ for a strike price of $28. 2 of them, we collected about $80 total. And then this one we ended up putting on the 21st of April as well, SOXL cash secured put. It's a monthly, basically, strike price $15, and then 2 of them we collected about $68 or so. And so we will see how all of these play out. If we look at the debits, guys, you'll see that we bought back WBA for $29, and then SOXL for $17. So those were some pretty great trades. If we look at gains, guys, here there was actually nothing in gains. And then for buys, there's actually nothing in current buys. But this is actually all I have for you guys in this update. If you stuck all the way to the end, be sure that you're subscribed with that notification if you have not done so already, and drop a big thumbs up on the video to help out the channel. That is all I ask in return. I will see you guys in the next update. Take care, stay safe out there. Bye, guys.